Hello students, how are you? Just to ensure you one thing that from last 2 to 3 days you are not receiving any chapters of your law. For this I want to say that Competition Act will be going to upload tomorrow, and within this week we will going to cover up Competition Act, amalgamations and winding up. These all three chapters are huge chapters. But let me speak one thing in truth. Why I am going to make you delay in uploading chapters? It is easy for me to upload chapter from your ICI module directly. That can be done within a day. But I just want to provide you my note, and you must have seen that I am not charging anything for my note too. In preparing a single note, it took me approx 28 to 25 hours. So in Competition Act, I feel one problem that might student be feeling too, that Competition Act is huge syllabus, and I see the past trend of ICI that they are only asking Competition Act for 4 marks. Basically, Competition Act is in old syllabus, okay, not in new syllabus. Now, old syllabus students, I am giving you two options. Either I will provide you Competition Act in summary way, one. Second, I will provide you Competition Act full syllabus but in very fast mode, without underlying what it is written in inside of act, just giving a full detail about the every provisions of this Competition Act. Let me get your idea, let me have your discussion that what you want, either option 1 a summary, or 2 a full detail but in quick mode. Okay, obviously in summary what I will do, I will just provide you Competition Act of those portions which ICI mostly ask or which are important, not all, because according to ICI syllabus also it is of 67 page, and the notes what I am making it also goes 52 page. I cannot compile it more because Competition Act have more section, and also they have bifurcation of subsections too. So please let me know this, and don't worry for new syllabus also students. Amalgamation and winding up is both in old and new syllabus that I will be uploading. Okay, and you will get these all chapters within a week. That means I can say you, if today is Sunday, then up to next Sunday you will get both amalgamation and winding up also. And third things, what I had decided, the global economic are changing day by day. So I take continuous discussions with my team who are providing you lectures in this channel, that we should move further to give students a skill regarding other thing also, so that they can be well equipped. So just after completion of your examination, that is if the examination is going to be in June, which is most probably uncertain, but let's think, if examination is going to be in June, then after completion of your examination, that is I think 4 to 5 July, after that 4 to 5 July, I am going to provide you skill based classes which will going to help you further in your job, that will help you to build your confidence, that will help to build your skill. Okay, for that, because nowadays teaching is not confined only to book. Please make it sure, ensure one thing, teaching is not confined only to your books. So we will be reaching at the high priority to get on self skill build up. Okay, I already told you that these 3 chapters I will be uploading in within a week. So don't worry for that, never get afraid that why I am not uploading. I am just not uploading because it takes time to me to make notes, and obviously you are seeing that none of the notes, my notes, I have many of me suggested that I can compile the notes of different chapters and sell it to you, but no. Okay, I don't think it is in this time. Basically, in this time where situation is very critical, where job opportunity are very critical, and I try to make shelter of myself by charging anything, any price from you, which is might be not good, nor God permit me to do such things. Thank you very much for watching. All the best for your examination.